Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to disable Click Wallpaper to show desktop on Mac in macOS Sonoma or later. By default, macOS Sonoma hides all your active windows when you click on your desktop wallpaper. This is handy if you tend to have a bunch of files on the desktop that you need to access to. But if you find this behavior maddening, there is a quick way to turn it off. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Then choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. After that, click on Desktop and Dock in the sidebar. In the Desktop and Stage Manager section, look for the option Click Wallpaper to reveal desktop. After that, click on Always and choose Only in Stage Manager in the drop-down menu instead, and that's all there is to it. As long as you have Stage Manager disabled, clicking the desktop will no longer have any impact on your active windows, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily turn off Click Wallpaper to show desktop on your Mac in macOS Sonoma or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.